Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you my recipe for Aglio E Olio spaghetti. Here are the ingredients that you need to make Aglio E Olio spaghetti. First, you need between 20 and 30 grams of spaghetti, 2 cloves of garlic, red chili peppers, which is optional. You can also replace it with chili flakes, but you can also omit them from the recipe altogether. 2 tablespoons of olive oil, but you can also use coconut oil if you don't have olive oil. Salt and pepper to taste. Tuna or chicken or any protein of your choice. Here are the steps to make the Aglio E Olio spaghetti. First, we need to boil water in a pan to cook the spaghetti. While we wait for the water to boil, we can mince or chop the garlic finely and cut the chili peppers into small slices. Once the water is boiling, add some salt to the water. And then we can insert the spaghetti. And now we wait for about 7 or 8 minutes. Once the spaghetti is fully cooked, we set it aside. On a saucepan, insert the olive oil and heat it for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, insert the garlic and the chili peppers. Stir the garlic and the chili peppers until they become fragrant. Once you can smell the garlic and the chili, insert the tuna or chicken or the protein of your choice into the saucepan and mix it well with the garlic and the chili peppers. Add salt and pepper. And then add the spaghetti. And then we mix everything together. You can add more salt and pepper if necessary. Now the spaghetti is ready to serve.
Spicy and savory. Simple but delicious.
So there you have it. That's my recipe for spaghetti Aglio E Olio. I hope you give it a try and you enjoy it as much as I do. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, take care.